Hello guys, my name is Joy. In this channel, I teach how to cut and sew. But in my previous video, I posted the pattern drafting of this beautiful cropped corset jumpsuit with gathers. But in this video, I'll put you through on how I joined the pattern together to achieve this beautiful corset. So stay with me to the end because I'll be teaching you on how you can use this cropped corset to achieve so many designs of your choice. So if you're new here, don't forget to click on your like button, comment and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos like this. Welcome back guys. After getting your pattern, we'll put you guys on how to get this particular pattern. We're going to be dropping the link on how to watch that pattern drafting of this corset jumpsuit. So to achieve this, you're going to be placing this pattern on your fabric. Then add half-inch allowance to all the sides. But mind you, you're not going to be adding to the center front because it's of fold. So you're going to, after cutting this pattern, you're going to place it on your hairstay and also on your lining. You're going to place it and cut it out the way you cut out the fabric itself. It should be the same length with the fabric itself. Then after cutting, you're going to place on your lining, then go to your machine, start joining the patterns together. And after joining the patterns together, you're also going to do the same thing to the back pattern. You're going to add half-inch on the back, also on the back pattern, but for the back pattern, because it's going to be having a zip, which is our zipper allowance, you're not going to be adding half-inch on the zipper allowance, but you're going to be adding half-inch on all of the sides apart from the zipper allowance. So after cutting this pattern out, you're going to also cut out the trouser pattern. After cutting out the trouser pattern, also you're going to be adding half inch or 1 inch allowance on the trouser pattern too for the sewing allowance depending on you. But for this one, I added half inch allowance to the to all of the sides, so it won't be too much. The allowance on the dress it won't be much. So after cutting this, before pinning the pattern on your fabric, you cut it out. After cutting, to achieve the sewing, you're going to sew the fabric differently and also the lining. But firstly, you're going to be placing your hairstay. You're going to iron your hairstay to your fabric. After that, this is the sewing and the opening of the trouser. Then you're going to show you the back pattern after joining together and opening with the iron. Also the front pattern before you iron the cup or the cups, you will join the cup, then iron it out and use your hairstay to cover it like this. Then after that, after joining the cup to the fabric, you're going to also join the hook to the fabric to the other half length material. You're going to join your yoke to it, and this is exactly what it gives after joining your lining with your fabric together. This is your result before joining this with the trouser on it. Then mind you, for me I added bunny to this jumpsuit. Depending on you, you could decide not to add any bunny, you add your that allowance and so. Then moving to the collar, we measure you place your fabric as if you're cutting a 180 flare, then measure 8 inches round, 8 inches downward. Then from the 8 inches, you start by measuring your 2 inches, is a bishop collar. We are going to be needing 2 of this collar because we'll use one to turn it to have a proper finish in order to have a proper finishing. Then after cutting, you place it on the fabric and this is what it gives. And for the black design on the chest, you measure 4 inches straight up, then sew it on the two sides, then use it to make this flower part on your chest. You can also use it, and we use a kissing pleat the bust area. We have used pleat. For the gathers, you're going to measure 5 inches and gather it. Before placing it on the trouser, you're going to cut the side shape that you see. So guys, this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Bye.